I'm sure you guys have seen Lightroom's heavy arts on Lightroom. They are like in your face. You see them almost every day when you're on Instagram. They're trying to push out these new features on their app on Lightroom. This AI-powered feature that they are rolling out in their latest version of Lightroom. I have the latest version of Lightroom, and I must say it's actually pretty cool, both for the Photoshop AI versions and the Lightroom version. Today we're going to concentrate on the Lightroom, since I usually do most of my edits in Lightroom. So we're going to test out the new features of Lightroom in their new version and see if it actually removes all the distractions that they're claiming that you can. The tutorial that is showing that I'm going to share with you, and this, I hope you're seeing it here. And I know you guys have seen it on Instagram as well. Their version that they are using is the Lightroom mobile. Today I'm going to use the desktop version of Lightroom. So let's jump into Lightroom and let's see if we can actually remove all these distractions. Let's go. This is a traditional wedding of Thomas and Aretha. Beautiful couple. I love this image so much. So they were walking towards me. I was asking them to walk hand in hand and interact and laugh and share beautiful moments together as I capture them. I like to capture motions a lot when I'm doing. That's some of the things I like to do with my couples during their weddings. So that's something that we did, and as you can see from this photo, it's a beautiful photo. I love the movement, I love the framing and everything, but as you can see, there are lots of distractions in here. So let's see if we can edit all these distractions out of this image. And so the new version of Lightroom, the previous ones had this clone and it has the heel, but now the new version has content, what's it called, content aware remove. So let's test it out and see how powerful it is. Okay, so I have it selected. And I'm going to paint. So I'm going to try and paint over this and see what it does. Okay. Okay, but it's still left some stuff in here. Okay, let's see. So if what you're marketing is true, you only need this to be able to remove everything. I guess it works for some things, but not everything. Let's see this. Let's remove this. Okay, it does a good job. Let's see this. Yeah, so the things that are not too complex or complicated, the content aware remove tool will do a good job in that. So this, remove this, remove the head, remove all these people from here. I'm so gonna, well, I guess it just needs some tweaking. But from the art that I was seeing, I figured that you just paint over what you don't want and it will just be gone. But it seems you have to finesse it a little bit. But it's still getting the job done. As you can see, I'm trying to go at it gradually. Yes. Okay. Let's remove this person, these people from here. Okay. Okay, not bad. Now let's select a larger area and see. Oh, okay, not bad. Because I really do like to remove distractions from my image. If I have an image where I have lots of the scenery or the background is very clear and white, I like to remove distractions from it, and then so that your attention goes straight to the subject or the couples that I'm shooting. So this is something that I would use a lot. Okay, so let's go on. It's done a good job. It's done a good job. Let's see if I can do more and get it to be all the way white. Okay, it's not bad. So usually there's something that you typically would have done in Photoshop with the content aware feel and everything, but as I like to do almost everything in Lightroom, this is going to be like a game changer for me. I don't have to go and tweak my pictures in Lightroom anymore. So I can really just finish everything in Lightroom. Yes, this person is gone. Let's try this one too. Gone as well. Okay. So mommy over here. Let's try and remove mommy here in the kaftan with daddy in the background over here. Okay, it's a large area. Let's see what I can do. Loading, analyzing, and ooh, okay, that's pretty impressive. Like that's really impressive. That's really impressive. Okay, let's go remove these heads from here as well, and this black swap from here. Okay, analyzing, and not bad, actually not bad. So I'm just going to tweak it a little bit, and that's one thing that I hope in the next update they can fix. When you paint over an area, you can't come in there and adjust or anything. You have to start painting from outside into it. So you see, I can't do anything here. I can't do anything here. I can't do anything. So I have to start from outside and paint it into what I want to. And then it's gone. So let's try and fix here too. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay. Let's fix this one too. The colors in here. The remainder of mommy. So let's zoom out and see. So before, after, before, after. So the only issue now is this part. So let's see if we can still tweak it a little bit. Let's see if it will work. Okay, and this part. Okay, so let me go back and just tweak. Let me go back and just, okay, no. Interesting. Okay. But it still looks obvious. So let me see if it still looks obvious. Still looks obvious. This thing over here. Delete this and delete this. Okay, let's start again and see if you can create its magic. Okay, let me see if I can just do it bit by bit. Let's see if that will work. Let's see if that will work. Oh, no, that didn't work as well. That didn't work as well. Let me delete and let's try again. Let me see this hand. Okay, and now let's do the outfit. Okay, let me see if, yeah, okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. So that's going to tweak. Okay, so I would rate it for this image. I'd rate it, let's say, an 80% with this image. because obviously there's a lot of things, distractions in the image that I wanted to, or I was trying to remove. But I was trying to just use the content aware. But what we can do is, since we have all these to our advantage, so I'm going to use the clone and just clone this part. I'm just going to use a clone. Let me just delete this. Delete this. It's going to use a clone. So I'm just going to use a clone and see if that will be better. So the clone, usually the clone is, obviously what it means basically is we'll sample an area. We'll sample an area. So let me see. Let me try and sample this area. And this looks better. This looks better. So before, after. So I can just now do a little tweaking with the content aware. Just going to do a little tweaking with the content aware remove. Like this, like these areas. Go back. Again, you have to start from an outside area before you work yourself inside. So over here, I can't do anything here. I have to work my way from here. Then I can come into, and I'm going to remove this as well to make it more even. Yeah, so that looks good. What I would take away from this tutorial is, with images that have lots of distractions or images that are very complex that to remove, you have to blend the content aware remove and then the clone stuff to get your desired result. But clearly it works. And let me hit enter, and then you guys can let me know. So before, after. This looks really good. Lightroom's latest version is really a game changer. The latest AI version, that is the AI features that have infused into the Lightroom, it's a really cool game changer. Let me know if you have tried it, and what are your thoughts on Lightroom's latest version. Have you tried it on Lightroom mobile as well? I would do that and then let you guys know. So hopefully, probably that will be like in the next later video. I'm going to do that. Try Lightroom mobile and see if the features on the phone would be the same as the mobile version. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found value, definitely subscribe. It helps the channel so much. And hey, before I leave, thank you guys so much for helping the channel reach 1,000. Thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. 1,000 followers. I'm really appreciative. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me that you guys are. It means that you guys loved what I'm doing, and I'm gonna keep pushing and doing more of these for you. And definitely like the video. It helps YouTube a lot. It helps the channel too a lot. Yeah, and definitely share to anyone who you think might find value in this video as well. Until I come here again next time, and I'll see you out.